If you like my videos, please subscribe, please put a like, and please ring that bell. Ring the bell. Okay. Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, a while back I showed you these corianders growing, but what I didn't, it didn't come out in the camera. Now they're bigger, as you can see. They're growing all over the place. Yes. And I'm cleaned out this one Saturday. We cleaned out this part, but like you see, there's another one growing there. I have to kill that one too, so it doesn't grow anything. I just want this whole side for corianders, you know. And my baby, how you call it, right there, let me see if you can see it. Right there, there's another plantain growing on the side of this one. This is a plantain. I've been cutting the leaves up like they have said to cut it, because at the long run all the vitamins go up, and when the plantain comes out, then it's gonna be nice and thick and big. So that's what I'm looking for. I have a crazy thing here. I got these plants here. I don't know if to take them out or to leave them there, because either way, now it's summer, it's gonna come winter, even though it doesn't feel like it. But I got plenty of corianders here. I took some from here and I took it to my raised bed over there in front of my balcony. So I probably do that today also, because the floor is wet. It looked like it rained last night. So probably I'll do that now today if I get a chance, because it's cloudy. So that's why I'm doing the video now. And as you can see, this thing here, it has gone wild. You want to see? Right there. Let me go over there and show you. Okay. Here there's also a growing corianders right there. They have a lot. I keep spreading there, because I want it to be, this whole part, corianders and plantain. So here, look how beautiful. It is gorgeous. I used to have this many years ago, and it died. And for some reason, now it just bloomed like crazy. It just gone crazy. I'm going to take this cradle out, put it somewhere else, because this is the compost. And as you could notice, you must say, what's all that big space there? I never seen that big space there, for the people who have seen the video. Okay, this whole part, I cleaned it out. As you can see, it's all cleaned out. I took the big ones out, and I left the little ones. Why? I'll show you in a minute. Because I want these to grow. These, when they're small, they look like, oh my God, let me get I need to get how you call it? Look at it. It's full of webs. This happens naturally, you know, because it's a climate that, you know, it's good for them. But I'm going to take them out with a, how you call it, with a stick or something. So as you can see, this one is white. This one is purplish, like a pink purple. And I want them to grow, so I'm leaving them there. But I want to keep this on the side for whatever I need it, which I think that is going to be a problem, because now that it's cleaned, the chickens might come in here. That's another problem I'm going to have. But probably I could put things that is strong and, you know, they ain't going to like. Maybe like basil or something like that. So saying this, and now I'm going to go in the inside of the house. This is so gorgeous. Oh, there's a bee. I haven't seen a bee in a while. Look at that. I don't know if you could see it. It's all the way back there. It's eating off the leaf. I don't know if you see the leaf moving. But it's eating off the nectar of the flowers. And that's what I wanted. That's why I wanted these plants, you know. This one don't have flowers. These are just, the leaves are white, you know. I call it my snow plant. So, let me go inside and I want to show you another thing. Okay, so as you can see, Let me see if you can see it right here. This is just a baby. And look, she gave birth to a baby. They just propagate so easy. And I'm never going to sell the mother because of the reason that these grow like that. This one had like 2 babies. I took it out and I separated them. One is over there. I think that this one is the next one. I'm not too sure. But this is surprising that a little small baby is having another baby. I never seen that one before. But like I said, a lot of people are shocked when they say, how you make those things grow like that? The thing is that I let them dry. I give them water, let them dry, and that's how they get. Right now, if you see, this is kind of dry, you know. And when it's dry, it thinks it's going to die, and it starts shooting out their babies. So that's how I provoke them. There are many of them, as you can see right there. These are the first ones that I propagated. These, you know. So, and that's not the only ones I have. I have tons of them right there. Tons of them. Some of them are big, some are smaller, because some of them are they were firstborn, and as they go on and on, they are smaller, you know. So if you try this, you know, you put them, you dry them, you let them dry a little bit, and they start shooting out kids, babies, not kids, babies. So that's how I propagated it, and that's how I'll keep propagating them, you know. But if you don't want to have too much, you could just do 2 or 3 of them, and then you could save them just in case one dies. You have the other one. I have the mama here. Let me see if I could go back there. Hold on. So this is Big Mama. I forgot to show the top part. So right now I'm showing to you the top part. This is the Big Mama, Grandma, and now great-grandmother. As you can see, this one also has a baby. This is just a piece that broke. This one just has a baby. So I'm not going to take it out. So she's growing pretty good. And how you call it? This one I will not give it away, because she gives birth like crazy. Right now she gave birth to that one. I had taken one out. I'm going to leave that there because now she got a lot of space to have a lot of babies as long as she wants, you know. So I'm going to just leave her there, you know, and keep propagating them. I'm waiting for it to get big, and then it could be sold on, you know, for selling. So that's why I'm just letting them grow, give babies, grow, give babies, grow, like that. Because I want to have enough of them that looks pretty, that look nice, that look big, and it could be sold out. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye. If you like my videos, please subscribe, please put a like, and please ring that bell. Ring the bell. Okay.